Alkrington woodwalk. Hi everyone, my name is Rossella, I'm Italian and British. I enjoy walking, and my walk today starts from back to Our Lady's High School in High Blakely, Manchester, and I walk heading the bridge over the M60. On the other side of the bridge there is a little village. Across the bridge there is roads, that is a little village, and walking down Manchester Road there's the entrance of Alkrington Woods. You walk between lakes, then the footpath follow the river Irk. This woods was declared a natural reserve by Rochdale Borough Council in 1987. The forest is well maintained by a ranger and green friends. The reserves have two fantastic network of footpaths for you to explore, and there is an association that is cleaning and maintaining the park called the Friends of Alkrington Woods, and was formed in 1997. They have produced a map with all the trails, and it is available from the website, in libraries and in health centers. Alkrington Woods has long-established elf populations, maybe you didn't know. In autumn, they have been busy painting their doors to help mark out a riverside tour for the children. And each door is located on a different tree species. The 15 trees have a QR code fitted to help smartphone users, and they can learn about each tree, the species, and where it's originated and coming from. So it's very useful and it's fun. this is the last part of the walk. I hope you enjoyed it. I put down in the link the website of the Friends of Alkrington Forest. Ciao ciao. Ciao.